I went and got a donut, and then I headed straight over to the Bethlehem Public Library. Did a little snooping around.
Sherlock's off to the library. He'll research the baby's ancestry. Take a look at genealogy.
He'll uncover his family tree.
He couldn't be of royalty, if I can be so bold,
Unless he fulfilled the prophecy the scriptures had foretold. He must search the scriptures line by line and investigate what he can find. Every scroll of ancient history.
I'll solve this mystery, you'll see.
Take a look inside of God's holy word. Look at the facts and not what you've heard. If God said it, we believe it. Investigate and see. There's proof in the scriptures. He's heaven's royalty. Take a look inside of God's holy word. Look at the facts and not what you've heard. If God said it, we believe it. Investigate and see. There's proof in the scriptures. He's heaven's royalty. Was he really from the line of David? From the tribe of Father Abraham? From the mystery of history you'll find out. He was really born in Bethlehem. Isaiah called him a mighty God. He wrote him as a Prince of Peace. Everlasting Father, Emmanuel. That's a king to me.
Wait a minute.
Was he really from the line of David?
Yes?
From the tribe of Father Abraham?
Correct.
From the mystery of history you'll find out. He was
Wow.
really born in Bethlehem.
Oh my.
Isaiah called him
A mighty God.
He wrote him as a
Prince of Peace. Everlasting Father, Emmanuel. That's a king to me.
This is the first time Sherlock thought he might be in just a little bit of trouble.
What have I gotten myself into? First rule of investigation. Find a source in the know. And I found one, but this one seems to be the Holy Scripture. So I ran a little background on this baby and found out that he might be the King of the Jews. I may be in over my head. He was known from the line of David, from the tribe of Father Abraham, from the mystery of history we found out. He was really born in Bethlehem. He was really from the line of David, from the tribe of Father Abraham, from the mystery of history we found out. He was really born in Bethlehem.
Sherlock studied at the library. He found out the baby's ancestry. God fulfilled all the prophecies. The scripture said he was a king indeed.
So Sherlock was afraid that.
I'm afraid of nothing.
So Sherlock thought.
I don't think I know.
Okay. So Sherlock knows that
Herod's not gonna like this. Excuse me, miss.
Shh! Lower your voice.
Excuse me, miss.
Not lower, I mean quieter. This is a library.
I'm Sherlock Watson, and I have a huge case.
A huge case of what? The measles? The flu? As loud as you're speaking, I wish it was laryngitis.
I mean, I'm on a case. FBI.
FBI? Shh! Now you're shushing me?
I'm on a case for the big guy.
The big guy.
You know, the mainmost man in town. The sassy sovereign.
Who?
Herod!
Oh, right. So what can I do for his royal craziness?
Well, I'm investigating the birth of a child that took place here in Bethlehem.
Which one? There are a lot of children born in Bethlehem.
Yes, but this was a child that was supposed to be the King of the Jews.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. There was an article in the Bethlehem Star a couple of years ago about that. Why don't we step over to the computer lab and search for it?
Okay, now we're talking.
Shh! Lower!
Okay.
Okay, here's the article.
And there were shepherds living out in the fields nearby, keeping watch over their flocks at night. Wow, can you send me this article?
Of course. You want me to email and fax it too?
Just the facts, ma'am. Hey, how did the shepherds find out about this child?
Elementary, my dear Watson.